Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You should know up front, I can't help remove or bypass encryption. Instead, start with safe, legitimate steps. First, open IMO and go to Settings, right arrow Privacy to review toggles the app provides. Next, back up or export your conversations so you don't lose data when changing preferences. Finally, contact IMO support from the account menu to request official changes. They can tell you what options the service allows and what's legally required. Once done with the basics, learn why you're blocked. End-to-end encryption protects all participants' privacy and prevents third-party access. You can't legally or ethically remove it for others. Instead, use legitimate alternatives. Disable chat backups if available, delete conversation history from your device, or close the account and recreate it with different settings. If policy or business needs require different controls, choose an app that offers configurable encryption features and clear admin tools. To finish, document every step and save confirmations or support responses so you can demonstrate compliance. If a setting you expect isn't visible, make sure your app is up to date, log out and back in, or reinstall to refresh feature availability. If you're working for an organization, consult legal or IT teams about compliant options rather than attempting technical bypasses. Troubleshooting tip: when features seem missing, check app version and permissions before making more changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.